Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling how to check the value of a car in 2025. With the auto market evolving rapidly, think electric vehicles, AI-driven tech, and fluctuating economies, knowing your car's worth is more important than ever. Whether you're selling your ride, buying a new one, or just curious, this guide will help you navigate it all. Let's dive in. First things first, start by gathering key details about your car. That means noting the make, model, year, mileage, condition, and any special features like a sunroof or upgraded tires. Accurate info is your best friend here. It ensures you're working with reliable data. Next, hop online to trusted valuation tools. In 2025, websites like Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and emerging AI platforms make it super easy. Just plug in your car's specs, and you'll get an instant estimate. But remember, these are starting points. Always cross-check with a few sources for the most accurate picture. Don't forget about market trends. Factors like the rise of EVs, fuel prices, and regional demand can sway values. For instance, a gas guzzler might be worth less in an eco-conscious area, while a well-maintained hybrid could fetch a premium. Keep an eye on news or apps that track these shifts. For a more precise valuation, consider getting a professional appraisal. Visit a certified mechanic, dealership, or even use mobile appraisal services that are big in 2025. They'll inspect the car in person and factor in things like wear and tear or hidden issues. Once you have those estimates, compare them with real-world listings. Check sites like AutoTrader, Craigslist, or local dealerships to see what similar cars are selling for. This helps you spot if your car's value is on the high or low end. Finally, a quick tip. If your car has modifications, like custom wheels or advanced safety features, they could boost its value. Just be honest about them. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to make smart decisions in the 2025 market. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.